So this is the house I'm living at the moment, where we can see ourselves the way that goes to the kitchen, and I will show you my room first. Hi friends, welcome to my first vlog from Ireland. So as soon as I came in Ireland, I got really busy in my work. It was a different country as well, so it took me some time because of the jet lag and other stuff to sort it out, so I was not making videos, that's why. But in this video I will show you my room where I'm living. So this is the house I'm living at the moment. It's a very quiet and peaceful area, and yeah, so let's go inside and I will show you my room where I'm living. So we will open the house, and yeah, so this is the entrance of the house, and at the entrance we have a mirror in here where we can see ourselves, and we have an internet in here, and there is a hallway that goes to the kitchen, and this is the upstairs to my room. So I will show you my room first. As we go up, there are a couple of rooms, and this is the toilet, and this is my room, and this is a vacant room. So as we get into my room, so yeah, this is my room. This is the bed in here, very comfy, and some beddings, and that's a cupboard where I'm keeping all of my clothes. This is a side table kind of thing where a lamp, and on this side this is my study table where I sit and study and do all of my works. This is my first aid, my mouse stuff. I'm getting some thing to put all of my pens in there, but I have not got it yet. So yeah, and we have an amazing view outside, plenty of light coming in here, and very scenic view from the window, and we have a lawn there where we can sit to have amazing sunshine. I will go there as well, but let me show you other things in my room. And here I have a mirror where I can see myself, where I get ready, some combing, some perfume, some sunglasses, and I have some documents in here. And in the cupboard we have my clothes in the hangers, and some sitting down there. I really need to organize them well, and some miscellaneous stuff down there. In this drawer I have all of my camera equipments, and in this drawer I have some medication box and some miscellaneous stuff as well. So yeah, nice small room, perfect for me. And this window is my favorite, allowing a lot of light coming in all the time, and I really like this view from the window, very peaceful, the view of the lawn and the birds chirping all the time. So yeah, I really enjoy this room. And now I will go back and will show you the kitchen and the living area where I eat and I drink, and yeah, let's go there. In this area I keep my shoes. Yeah, I have 3 or 4 pairs of shoes, so whenever I come in to the room I just put my shoes in there, and then from this area I don't wear any shoes, and I just keep it clean and tidy, as you can see. Here we have the toilet. If we open it up, as you can see, there is a tub in there, and there are some shampoo and kind of stuff, and this is the toilet seat, and this is the basin, and here is a mirror in which you can see me. I have bought some antibacterial gels to put on the toilet seat whenever I use, because it's a shared bathroom which I share with another tenant. So I just keep these things to keep it clean and tidy. So yeah, let's go down there and I will show you the kitchen. If we go down, so from the main entrance there is this hallway, and if we go straight from this hallway, this is the kitchen area. As you can see, this is a dining table and there are some clothes to dry whenever there is rain outside. And yeah, this door opens into a backyard, which is again my favorite spot. And in this backyard, as you can see, we have cut the grass. There is a pathway where we can sit and enjoy the sun. And yeah, that's a really cool looking backyard. And that's my room, the open window you can see. And this is the look of the kitchen from outside. And when we go back to the kitchen, so yeah, this is the kitchen. We have the gas stoves. This is the fridge, and in the fridge, as you can see, this is my compartment where I keep my food and stuff, and the other compartments are for the other tenants. Basically 3 people are living in this home at the moment. And this is my freezer area. And yeah, and in the kitchen, this is my cupboard, whole cupboard. I have some essentials, coffee, some cereals, some ketchup, sugar, and all of those things that I bought for myself. Here I have my crockery, the utensils, a pan, some plates, pan to heat up the milk, and some cups and all of those things. So yeah, we have an electric oven in here, and then the ovens for heating as well, some electric kettles and all of those things. So yeah, I'm currently living in a shared accommodation. Whenever you come in Ireland for the first time, the shared accommodation is the best option for you. It is cheaper than a private apartment, and you save a lot of money in the start, because you require a lot of money in the start on a lot of different things to set up your life in here. So yeah, it's a very nice and cozy place. It is very reasonable for me as well. Currently 3 people living in this house, me, another tenant, and a person who owned this house. And we 3 like work all the time, and we randomly see each other very often, not like all the time. So yeah, it's a good place to start your life in Ireland in here. And I'm making this vlog intentionally in English because I have made a new friends, new colleagues in Ireland, and all of them understand English. So I'm making it in English so they can understand this video as well. So as you can see, this is the kitchen. A beautiful view of the lawn from the kitchen. And yeah, this is the dining table where I sit and eat lunch and have a view of the outside. This is the washing machine in here. It is an automatic washing machine. I just put in the clothes and set it up, and it washes all the clothes. I just need to like bring them out and just dry on these stand I have, or sometimes we dry them outside, but it is mostly rainy outside, so we just dry them in here. We have a TV at the back as well. Like we can just remove it on the side and watch the TV, which I normally don't do. Now I'm going to my room again. Okay, I'm back in my room. So this room cost me 650 euros per month as a rent, and 100 euros are for electricity and heating bill. So totally I pay 750 every month for this room, to have this accommodation. The room is solely for me, the bathroom is shared, the kitchen is shared, but as I said, there are just 3 guys living in this house, so we normally don't see each other much, and it's a really peaceful and comfortable room to live and to start your life in Ireland. I bought this wall clock, as you can see myself, and I really like this. Its view from the room, very good. The bed is really cool and cozy, as you can see. Yeah, I just lie in there and relax. It is really peaceful. So that's my room, and I have given you a tour of my accommodation as well. Hope you get something out of it and learn something new. If you did, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another vlog. Bye bye.